Welcome back to my channel Rare Coin Shop, and everyone with an eye for hidden treasures. First, we're diving into a coin that might look pretty ordinary at first glance, but wait until you hear the full story. It's the 1971 D. Eisenhower $1 coin, a hefty piece of American history that could be hiding in someone's drawer or old change jar right now. And believe me, this isn't just another dollar coin. This particular one has the potential to blow your mind, especially if you stick around to the very end of this video. We're talking serious collector cash here. Let's take a step back in time for a moment. The year is 1971. The United States was still feeling the aftermath of the moon landing just 2 years earlier. Richard Nixon was in the White House, and disco hadn't even hit its peak yet. It was also the year the U.S. Mint introduced a brand new coin to honor a true American hero, President Dwight D. Eisenhower. Known for his leadership during World War II and his 2 terms in office, Ike was deeply respected, and the government wanted a strong, bold coin to match his legacy. Enter the Eisenhower dollar. This was the first $1 coin minted since the peace dollar ended in 1935. It was big, bold, and made of copper nickel, unlike the silver coins that came before it. And right there beneath Eisenhower's strong profile, on the left side of the coin, you'll often see the tiny letter D. That's the mint mark for Denver, where this coin was struck. Now, if you've held one of these before, you know just how solid it feels in your hand. It's not your average pocket change. But what makes the 1971 D version so interesting isn't just its design or even the man it honors, it's the unexpected value it can hold, especially in the collector's world. Let's talk design for a second. The front, or obverse, features President Eisenhower's profile, serious, distinguished, and surrounded by the words, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date, 1971. Flip it over, and the reverse side is truly special. It shows a stylized eagle landing on the moon, clutching an olive branch, an image inspired by the Apollo 11 mission patch. This wasn't just a tribute to Ike, it was a nod to America's greatest space achievement. The combination of historical power and cosmic pride made this coin an instant classic. So what's the deal with value? Why are collectors going crazy over what seems like a common coin? Here's the truth: millions of these coins were made. So yes, most of them are pretty common. You could find one in a coin roll from the bank, at a flea market, or even in your grandparents' old stash. But like anything in the world of numismatics, condition is everything. And here's where things start to get exciting. If you've got a 1971 D. Eisenhower dollar that has never been touched, never been circulated, and still looks like it just came out of the mint yesterday, you're already sitting on something pretty valuable. Add in the possibility of a rare strike error, unique die variety, or something just slightly off in the minting process, and the price shoots up. Collectors pay top dollar for the rarest and most pristine examples. There are also a few specific varieties of the 1971 D coin that are especially desirable. Some feature what's known as a friendly eagle reverse, where the eagle's feathers look softer and more detailed. Others might have double die obverse, weak strikes, or special planchet errors that make them one of a kind. And here's the best part: one of these rare 1971 D. Eisenhower dollars, in absolutely uncirculated, mint condition, with an exceptional strike and rare variety, has sold for a jaw-dropping $85,000. That's right, $85,000 for a coin that started out as a simple $1 piece. Imagine finding that in your old coin jar or tucked away in a relative's drawer. So, if you've got a 1971 D. Eisenhower dollar, don't dismiss it. Take a good look. Is it in excellent condition? Does it have any unusual markings or features? Because it might not just be a coin, it could be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Second rare coin, we're talking about the United States $1 coin from 1972, minted in Denver, also known as the 1972 D. Eisenhower dollar. Now at first glance, this coin might not seem like anything out of the ordinary. It's large, solid, and features a bold portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the front. But like many coins, the true magic of the 1972 D dollar isn't just in how it looks, it's in its history, its details, and most importantly, its value in the world of collectors. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to dig through your old coins and see if you have one of these hidden away. Let's take a moment to talk about the time period when this coin was minted. The early 1970s was a pivotal era in American history. Vietnam was still dominating headlines, the Watergate scandal was brewing, and the nation was recovering from the excitement of landing a man on the moon. The Eisenhower dollar was created not only to honor the former president and World War II general but also to celebrate the Apollo 11 mission, symbolizing American strength both politically and technologically. The coin itself is striking. On the front, you have President Eisenhower's profile, calm, confident, and commanding. Around the rim, you'll see the words Liberty, the national motto "In God We Trust," and of course, the date, 1972. And just below Eisenhower's neck is a small letter D, standing for the Denver Mint, where this specific version was struck. Flip it over, and the reverse side is even more impressive. It features an eagle landing on the surface of the moon, wings spread wide and clutching an olive branch, a direct reference to the insignia used by the Apollo 11 astronauts. This design wasn't just symbolic, it was a statement. America was leading the space race, and this coin proudly told that story. Now, here's where things get interesting. The 1972 D Eisenhower dollar was minted in large numbers, but not all coins are created equal. In fact, there's a world of difference between a coin that's been tossed around in circulation and one that's been preserved in flawless, untouched condition. And when it comes to this particular coin, condition is everything. Collectors are especially drawn to Eisenhower dollars that are in pristine condition, what we call mint state. These coins look as if they were just struck yesterday, with sharp details, clean surfaces, and no signs of wear. Coins like this are rare because most were used in everyday transactions, tossed in pockets, or stored in drawers for decades, but there's more. Some 1972 D Eisenhower dollars have unique die varieties or minor minting errors that make them stand out. These could be things like a slightly off-center strike, a double die, or even a planchet issue. While these flaws may seem small, they make a massive difference in the eyes of a collector. The more unique the coin, the more desirable it becomes, and let's not forget how few of these top-quality coins are actually out there. It's not just about how many were made, it's about how many have survived in the right condition. That scarcity is what drives the value up. When a coin checks all the boxes, perfect strike, rare variety, exceptional condition, it becomes a serious collector's item. And now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. One of these rare 1972 D Eisenhower dollar coins, preserved in stunning mint condition and featuring specific collectible traits, has been sold to a lucky collector for a jaw-dropping $70,000. That's right, $70,000. Not bad for a coin that originally carried the value of a single dollar, right? So, if you've got a 1972 D Eisenhower dollar lying around, don't overlook it. Pull it out, examine it closely, and maybe even get it professionally graded. You never know, you could be holding a true treasure, a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. Third expensive coin, I'm talking about the 1974 United States $1 coin. This isn't just a piece of old currency, it's a coin with a story. A coin that connects generations. A coin that might be hiding in a forgotten drawer, waiting to change someone's life. Let's rewind the clock to 1974. It was a turbulent time in American history. President Richard Nixon was deep in the Watergate scandal, gasoline shortages were sweeping the country, and Americans were looking for stability in a rapidly changing world. Amid all of that, the U.S. Mint continued producing one of the boldest and most iconic coins of the era, the Eisenhower dollar. Now, the Eisenhower dollar wasn't your typical coin. It was large, heavy, and unmistakable. It stood out from the quarters, dimes, and nickels you'd normally find jingling in your pocket. And the version minted in 1974 is especially intriguing, because while it was common in circulation, very few people realized that some of these coins were struck with such precision, or such rarity, that they would go on to become highly valuable collector's items. Let's take a closer look at the design. On the front of the coin, or the obverse, you'll find a strong, detailed portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower. His legacy as a five-star general and leader of the free world is captured in the confident profile, framed by the word liberty, the phrase "In God We Trust," and of course, the date, 1974. Flip the coin over, and you'll find something truly beautiful. The reverse side features an eagle landing on the moon, its wings spread, and an olive branch in its claws, a symbol of peace and power. This powerful image was inspired by the Apollo 11 mission patch, blending space history with American pride in a single design. And when you really look at the detail, the stars, the Earth in the background, it's not just a coin. It's ART. So why is this coin so important to collectors today? Well, here's the thing. While millions of these Eisenhower dollars were minted, most of them were used, worn down, and tossed around in everyday transactions. They picked up scratches, lost their shine, and were often forgotten. But the rare few that were never circulated, the ones that remained in pristine, mint condition, those are the coins collectors are searching for, and it's not just about condition. Some 1974 Eisenhower dollars have tiny differences, minting variations, subtle errors, or special die strikes, that make them incredibly rare. These differences might not be obvious to the untrained eye, but to collectors and experts, they mean everything. Even the mint location plays a role. Coins minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco can all have different values based on how many were made and how well they were preserved. A coin with a small S or D mint mark in perfect condition is already something to get excited about. But if your coin has no mint mark and looks flawless? That could be something truly special. And let's not forget about proof coins, special versions made with extra care, sometimes sold only in sets. These are often struck multiple times to bring out sharp, detailed designs, and they're typically handled with gloves and sealed in protective packaging. If a 1974 Eisenhower proof coin has been kept in perfect condition, it's more than just rare, it's a treasure. Now, let's get down to what everyone wants to know. What could one of these coins actually be worth? Here's the truth. A regular 1974 Eisenhower dollar in average condition might only be worth a few dollars. But if you happen to have one in brilliant uncirculated condition, with no signs of wear, exceptional strike quality, and possibly even a rare variety or error, then the story changes, because one of these rare 1974 Eisenhower $1 coins has been sold for an unbelievable sum of $50,000. Yes, you heard that right. $50,000. For a coin that most people once thought was worth just $1. So before you toss that old Eisenhower dollar aside, take a good look. Check the date, check for a mint mark, examine the condition. You might be holding on to something that's not just old change, but a valuable piece of American history. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear more stories like this, about rare coins, surprising values, and the hidden gems people find in the most unexpected places, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a discovery. And let us know in the comments, do you have a 1974 Eisenhower dollar? We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and remember, that loose change sitting around your house might just be worth a whole lot more than you think.